Oh, yum, yum, Ellie. Yum, yum. What a difference a week and a half makes, huh? You're a professional eater now. Yeah. Good job.
Yeah, Pumpkin. Did you get that one down?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Good job, Ellie Bear.
Hold still, Munchkin.
Hey, hey, Peanut Girl. You're doing pretty awesome. You're doing pretty amazing.